Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube trending option not showing. So if you launch your YouTube, you will see various options at the top page. That will be all TED, squats, everything that you have searched for. But if you even swipe it to your left, you will not be able to see trending button. That is because YouTube has decided to remove the trending button since July, so you will not be able to see it. But here is still a workaround that you can do in order to get the trending topics. For that, you will need to launch a Chrome. At the top search bar, type in youtube.com. Once it is so, you will be browsing YouTube in a browser. So at the top search bar, again, type in youtube.com/feed. Again, /trending, then search. And once you do that, you will be able to find some trending topics that is in your region. Just like so, guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.